Imagine you are standing by an enormous cosmic ocean, vast and seemingly silent. Suddenly you hear an incredibly loud, sharp shout from across the immense expanse. This is very much like the situation astronomers find themselves in with a particular strange phenomenon. We often think of the universe as this grand, quiet place, stretching out forever. But sometimes it sends us signals, powerful messages that make us sit up straight and listen very, very carefully indeed. These are not gentle cosmic whispers. These are more like cosmic shouts that demand our attention. This particular mystery, the one causing all the current buzz and concern, is relatively new in the grand timeline of astronomical discovery. It appeared quite suddenly in our observations, almost like a cosmic photobomb, catching us completely by surprise. So, what is this mysterious phenomenon that we are actually talking about, the one causing all this cosmic consternation? Well, these events are officially called fast radio bursts, or FRBs for short. They are incredibly fast, most of them last for only a few milliseconds. And as the name also suggests, they are bursts of radio waves. These cosmic flashes are not just faint, barely detectable blips on our instruments. They are astonishingly bright when observed with radio telescopes. Most of these FRBs have been traced back to galaxies that are very, very far away. We are talking about distances of billions of light years. One of the trickiest and most frustrating things about studying fast radio bursts is actually catching them in the act. Now, thankfully, we have new dedicated telescopes specifically designed to look for them, constantly scanning wide patches of the sky. So, why the strong reaction, the terror, or at the very least, the deep and pervasive concern within the astronomical community regarding these fast radio bursts? A huge part of this unease stems directly from the sheer, almost incomprehensible amount of energy that is involved in their creation. To produce a burst of radio waves that we can clearly detect from Earth, even when it originates from billions of light years away, and even if it only lasts for a few milliseconds, requires an absolutely staggering amount of power. This incredible energy output pushes right up against the very limits of what we currently think is possible with known astrophysical objects and processes. It makes astronomers collectively wonder if we are missing a fundamental piece of the cosmic energy puzzle. This naturally leads us to the next significant point of concern. If our current understanding of stars, black holes, neutron stars, and other cosmic beasts cannot easily or comfortably explain the immense energies and peculiar characteristics of these FRBs, then what does that imply for our science? This is precisely where the fear factor comes in. It is the inherent fear of the unknown, the unsettling fear that our current, carefully constructed models of the universe are incomplete, perhaps even fundamentally flawed in some critical way. It is a truly humbling thought for scientists who strive to understand the cosmos. Section 4. Echoes in our backyard. Potential impacts on Earth and beyond. Fast radio bursts are happening millions or billions of light years away in distant galaxies. Should we worry about one of these events happening nearby and affecting Earth? The good news is that the energy is so spread out by the time it reaches us, it's harmless. However, if an FRB source were much closer, within our Milky Way, it could be different. Energy levels from a nearby event could affect our satellites or sensitive electronics. In April 2020, astronomers detected an FRB-like burst from within our Milky Way. This was a groundbreaking discovery. Section 5. Listening harder. The ongoing quest to understand the universe's mysteries. So, to sum up, fast radio bursts currently remain one of modern astronomy's biggest and most compelling puzzles. These incredibly brief, millisecond-long yet astonishingly powerful flashes of radio waves originating from the very distant universe serve as a stark and humbling reminder of just how much we still have to learn about the cosmos we inhabit. The concern that astronomers feel isn't necessarily about an immediate existential threat to humanity from these far-off cosmic shouts. Instead, it is a more profound intellectual unease, a scientific disquiet. It is the kind of constructive worry that actually drives scientists forward. The worry that our current understanding of the universe, as detailed as it is, might be missing something truly big, something absolutely fundamental, something potentially revolutionary. These enigmatic bursts are like cosmic exclamation points, emphatically demanding our attention and our best efforts to understand them. This is precisely why continued, dedicated research into fast radio bursts, and indeed into all aspects of the cosmos, is so incredibly important for the advancement of human knowledge.